Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add page number in Google Docs. If you want to give your pages the number you want, then this video is for you. Let's get into it. Find the Google Doc, now open it. Now tap onto the document where you want to add the page numbers, simply tap on it. Then here we can find the pencil icon at the bottom of the corner. Now tap on it. Then tap onto the plus sign icon at the top corner, select it. Now scroll down and here you can find the option of page number. Go ahead and select it. Now here you can see the different kinds of page number types that you can add to your document. Now choose one. Now you can edit the number of the page however you want to add it. Now you can add many page numbers on however you want to add it. And that's it. This is how you can add the page number on your documents in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.